They're criminals trying to make a profit from the pandemic with so-called miracle vaccines for COVID-19 purchased on the dark web. They're selling false hope.
This probably is organised crime, looking to cash in on opportunities.
I've actually been personally horrified.
As the world's brightest scientists race to develop a life-saving vaccine, in an underground world, heartless criminals are cashing in on our fear. The dark web is a secret marketplace where illegal drugs and weapons are just a click away. You can even hire a hitman, and now it's being used to profit from a pandemic.
Think of them as supermarkets, actually, because they offer a huge range of products, contraband products.
Deep inside this underbelly, scarce medical equipment is on sale at exorbitant prices. From bulk supplies of masks to ICU ventilators and test kits, even miracle vaccines, despite there being no such thing. More startling, litres of blood, claiming to be from recovered coronavirus patients, promising lifelong immunity.
What happens is patients have recovered, their blood is harvested. If they have antibodies, those antibodies are then transferred to another patient who might be at high risk.
The suggestion is that maybe this is being supplied out of somewhere like China, where we first saw COVID-19.
The Australian National University scanned the darknet over a single day, and what it found was alarming.
So it could be possible that the PPE and the purported vaccines are being stolen from warehouses and labs?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's the worry. If they're diverting, short supply trial vaccines, antivirals, for example, which are undergoing trial as well.
Professor of Criminology, Rod Broadhurst.
Although we can't rule out the fact that many of them are scams, some will likely be the real thing, or purported to be a real thing.
The ANU found 645 COVID-19 listings across 12 underground dark web markets, which may just be the tip of the iceberg. The most expensive fake vaccine was listed at more than $24,000, shipped from the USA. Others from China fetching almost as much. COVID-19 cure vaccine, keep quiet on this. Hello, buy fast. Coronavirus vaccine is out now.
This is sort of part of almost like the Wild West you enter when you're dealing with the darknet.
Dr. Rick Brown is from the Australian Institute of Criminology.
We're probably dealing with offenders, organised crime groups that aren't specialists, that will move into products where they can see there's a market to make a profit.
One of the drugs found for sale online, anti-malaria tablet hydroxychloroquine, widely spruiked by Donald Trump.
If it were me, in fact, I might do it anyway. I may take it, okay?
This week, billionaire Clive Palmer took out this 3-page newspaper spread claiming to have purchased 32 million doses of the drug, which he's donated to the Australian government. Victoria has now restricted the purchase of hydroxychloroquine to prevent stockpiling amid a tsunami of unfounded claims which could be deadly.
Disinfectant, where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside?
There are a lot of therapies that have been put forward for treating COVID. I've seen lots of things put forward on social media.
New South Wales Chief Health Officer Dr. Kerry Chance.
Talk to your health practitioner before embarking on any therapy or doing anything against the traditional health advice.
Somebody buys a purported vaccine, applies it, and then believes that they're immune, goes about their normal business behaving as if they're immune, but actually could contract the virus and could also be a spreader.
Policing this underground world is difficult. It can only be accessed via an encrypted browser that allows users to conceal their identities.
These markets are not immune from law enforcement. They can be brought down, and in fact there have been significant shutdowns of some of these major markets.
Degree of anonymity on both sides means that it's very difficult to know who to target in terms of identifying these sellers.